Tornado warning continues until 4:45 this afternoon for Kearney County. This tornado is expected to be near Minden this afternoon. Also, a severe thunderstorm warning continues until 4:45 this afternoon for Buffalo County. This storm is to be crossing Highway 30 right about now, so please do be aware of the weather conditions, and if you are in the path of any one of these storms, please take shelter immediately.
Lots of interesting things happening. I'm right in the thick of it. Just looking for the funnel now.
Yeah, it's shelter.
I've got major hail.
People in Buffalo and Kearney County should take shelter immediately in a basement or spalling's lowest floor. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a nearby building. As a last resort, seek shelter in a get to a low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for Buffalo County and Kearney County in south central Nebraska until 5:45 p.m.
4:44 this Wednesday afternoon, and once again, the National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning in effect for Buffalo County and Kearney County until 5:45 this afternoon. At 4:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a developing tornado 3 miles southwest of Hartwell, or about 15 miles southeast of Kearney, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This tornado is expected to...
Tornado sirens are going off. No idea where that siren's coming from. The problem is you can't see anything around here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's hail, about nickel-sized hail coming down. Look at that hail. Can you see it? There. I hope you can see it. A lot of lightning. The sirens are just going off. I'm back in my room. Wow, hail's getting bigger. Wow, this thing's got to be getting close. This is the worst storm I've ever seen. Look at this hail. Thank God I got this hotel. That's all I have to say. See the hail? You couldn't be out in this. Holy cow. This is unbelievable. Donna, you would be freaking out right now. The hail is probably golf ball size hail. Maybe a little smaller than a golf ball right now. Whoa. I really hope my car windows can hold up to this.